What I like about drama club is that we get to do a play and we get to do golden tickets. My favorite about drama club is that we win a golden ticket and we get prizes. Then we won a ticket. My favorite part of drama club is that you get golden bars, and next week when you bring them back you get a chocolate bar at the end of the day. What I learned about in drama class is that to never run away from a big dog. What I learned about drama is our acting and our play, and never to run away from a dog. What we learn about drama club is we learn about Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I would like more of my friends to come to drama club because it makes it even funner. I want more of my friends to come to drama club because we need somebody to be Augustus Gloop in our play. I like my friends to come to drama club because they never learn Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I'd like for more friends to come to drama club because there's actually a few reasons. One of the reasons is because we need someone to play Augustus Gloop and Willy Wonka, and another reason is so we can have more fun.